Space-based military technologies, an arms race in orbit. Title: Space-based military technologies, an arms race in orbit. Introduction. As nations continue to expand their military capabilities, one realm that has attracted significant attention is outer space. Historically referred to as the final frontier, space has now become a battleground for countries seeking to gain a strategic advantage over their adversaries. With the emergence of space-based military technologies, an arms race has ensued that heralds a new era of competition and challenges for global security. Advancements in space-based military technologies. In recent years, there has been a surge in the development and deployment of space-based military technologies. Satellites, which were once exclusively used for communication and navigation purposes, now play a pivotal role in reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and early warning systems. Countries are investing heavily in satellite-based surveillance and imaging capabilities, allowing them to monitor threats, track movements, and gather information crucial for military operations. Space-based missile defense systems have also garnered considerable attention. These systems involve deploying interceptor missiles in space to destroy incoming ballistic missiles before they reach their intended targets. While these technologies offer enhanced protection against missile threats, they also raise concerns about the militarization of space and the potential for unintended consequences. The impact on global security. The proliferation of space-based military technologies has significant implications for global security. The maneuverability and speed of delivery associated with space-based assets provide a unique advantage to nations that possess such capabilities. However, this advantage comes with its fair share of risks and challenges. First and foremost, the militarization of space threatens the stability and balance of power on Earth. It creates a new realm for potential conflicts and arms races, raising the possibility of a new domain for warfare. The development of offensive space-based technologies, such as anti-satellite weapons, has the potential to disrupt critical communication networks, GPS systems, and early warning systems. This could have severe consequences in times of crisis or conflict, jeopardizing both military and civilian operations. Moreover, an arms race in orbit can lead to an erosion of trust and an increase in tensions between nations. The fear of being left behind or outmatched prompts countries to expand their space-based military capabilities rapidly, often without transparent communication or coordination with other countries. This lack of trust and the absence of clear rules and norms can potentially escalate conflicts and undermine diplomatic efforts aimed at maintaining peace. The need for international cooperation. To mitigate the risks associated with the arms race in orbit, international cooperation and dialogue are essential. It is imperative for nations to come together to establish clear rules, norms, and agreements to govern the use of space for military purposes. The establishment of a framework that promotes transparency, information sharing, and restraint will be crucial in maintaining global stability. Existing treaties such as the Outer Space Treaty of 1967 provide a foundation for space-related issues, including the peaceful use of outer space. However, they do not specifically address the use of space for military purposes. Hence, there is a need to update and expand international agreements to address the challenges posed by the growing militarization of space. Countries must also invest in robust space situational awareness capabilities to monitor and track objects in orbit. Sharing this information with other nations can enhance collaboration, reduce the risks of collisions, and build confidence among space-faring countries. The arms race in orbit, driven by advancements in space-based military technologies, poses significant challenges to global security. The militarization of space brings new risks and uncertainties that demand international cooperation and dialogue. As nations strive to gain a strategic edge, it is crucial to prioritize cooperation over competition in outer space. Engaging in dialogue, sharing information, and fostering trust will be paramount in ensuring a secure and stable environment in the final frontier. Only through international collaboration can we address the complexities of space-based military technologies and secure a peaceful and sustainable use of space for the benefit of humanity. Furthermore, it is important to note that the existing treaties, such as the Outer Space Treaty of 1967, provide a foundation for space-related issues. However, they do not specifically address the use of space for military purposes. This gap highlights the need to update and expand international agreements to address the challenges posed by the growing militarization of space. Countries must also invest in robust space situational awareness capabilities to monitor and track objects in orbit. Sharing this information with other nations can enhance collaboration, reduce the risks of collisions, and build confidence among space-faring countries. This increased transparency and cooperation can contribute to a safer and more predictable space environment. As space-based military technologies continue to advance, an arms race in orbit is unfolding, presenting new challenges for global security. The development and deployment of these technologies, such as satellite surveillance and missile defense systems, have far-reaching implications. On one hand, these technologies provide nations with strategic advantages, allowing them to gather intelligence, monitor threats, and protect against missile attacks. The arms race in orbit also increases tensions and erodes trust between nations. The fear of falling behind or being outmatched pushes countries to rapidly expand their space-based military capabilities without adequate communication or coordination with others. This lack of trust and clarity can escalate conflicts and undermine diplomatic efforts to maintain peace. To mitigate these risks, international cooperation is crucial. It is essential for countries to establish clear rules, norms, and agreements to govern the use of space for military purposes. Updating and expanding existing treaties, like the Outer Space Treaty of 1967, is necessary to address the challenges posed by the growing militarization of space. These measures promote transparency and trust in the utilization of space. Ultimately, prioritizing cooperation over competition in outer space is vital. Engaging in dialogue, sharing information, and fostering trust are key to ensuring a secure and stable environment. By addressing the complexities of space-based military technologies through international collaboration, we can secure a peaceful and sustainable use of space for the benefit of all humanity. Space-based military technologies have become a focal point in the global arms race. As nations continue to expand their military capabilities, space has emerged as a new domain for competition and strategic advantage. In recent years, there has been a significant surge in the development and deployment of space-based military technologies.